Hey there, home decor lovers! If you're looking for a fresh way to add personality to your walls without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. Today I'm taking you through one of my favorite budget-friendly DIYs, turning leftover wallpaper and a simple portrait frame into unique wall art. Let's jump right in. Upcycling is all about giving new life to what you already have, and trust me, wallpaper samples are a goldmine just waiting to be discovered. So first things first, grab a few wallpaper samples. I love mixing it up with floral prints, bold geometrics, and even some textured patterns. Anything that catches your eye works. You'll also need an empty frame. I'm using a classic wooden one, but metallic works too. Now here's where the fun begins. Take the backing out of your frame and use it as a template to trace the wallpaper. Cut carefully along the lines. This is key for a polished result. If you're feeling extra creative, try layering smaller pieces of different wallpapers inside one frame for a collage effect. It's such an easy way to play with color and style. Want a gallery vibe? Use 2 or 3 frames and cut one large wallpaper pattern so it flows across all of them. This triptych or diptych trick instantly makes your space feel more put together. And if you have a matte board on hand, pop it in to give your art that refined, finished look. It's a small detail, but it makes such a difference. Pro tip, don't just stick to big, bold prints. Sometimes small, intricate patterns add a subtle, sophisticated touch, especially if you're layering. And here's my favorite part. Most home improvement stores give wallpaper samples for free, or you can use leftover scraps from a project. It's affordable, sustainable, and totally customizable. Once you've framed your masterpiece, find the perfect spot to show it off. I love hanging mine above a console table in the hallway, or try making a composition for shelf decoration. Arrange your framed art with small plants or decorative objects for a stylish, personalized shelf display. It's amazing how something so simple can make a space feel so much more personal and inviting. So, are you ready to give this a try? Grab some wallpaper, dig out those old frames, and let your creativity shine. And if you do, I'd love to see what you come up with. Share your creations in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy DIY ideas just like this. Happy decorating!